Hey everyone, today we're going to look at a question that has to do with mechanical advantage. These are pretty easy, you just have to know what you're looking for, and then it's a simple math problem. So what is the stress on a hauling part when lifting a 4,900 pound weight using a twofold purchase rove to least advantage? Allow 10% of the weight per sheave for friction. So first things first is to write down your givens. We have a weight of 4,900 pounds, and we are using a twofold purchase, which has a mechanical advantage of 4. And the way I know that is because when looking at this chart, which I already have all the information filled out, a twofold purchase is number 4 here. 2 sheaves with rig to disadvantage, which is given in the problem. When the line, the end of the line is pointing downwards, that means that you just have to count the amount of sheaves for your mechanical advantage. 1 sheave, the line's pointing down, mechanical advantage is 1. 2 sheaves with the line pointing down, your mechanical advantage is 2, so on and so forth. 5 sheaves with the frayed end pointing down, mechanical advantage of 5. If we go down, if the frayed end is pointing upwards, you count the number of sheaves, add 1 for the mechanical advantage. So again, 1 sheave, but the frayed end's pointing upwards, the mechanical advantage is 2. So on and so forth. One more example, 6 sheaves with the frayed end pointing up, the mechanical advantage is 7. So upwards is rigged to advantage, downwards is rigged to disadvantage. And then the other thing you'll have to memorize is what the names of each of these purchases or rigs is called. We have a single whip for the first one, gun tackle for 2 sheaves, single luff tackle for 3, twofold purchase, double luff tackle, and then threefold purchase. I know because I've memorized this sheet that a twofold purchase, which is what is named in the question, rig to disadvantage, has a mechanical advantage of 4. So that's part of step 1, which is writing down your givens. Twofold purchase. Step 2 is to identify the mechanical advantage. The twofold purchase has a mechanical advantage of 4. Step 3 is to plug it into your equation, which is stress equals weight times 1 plus 10% for the friction per sheave over your mechanical advantage. So step 3 is here, and we will go ahead and solve. So our stress equals our weight of 4,900 times 1 plus 10% friction per sheave. So 10% put into a decimal is 0.1. So we'll do 0.1 times 4 because a twofold purchase has 4 sheaves. All of that over our mechanical advantage of 4. So our stress equals 4,900 times 1.4. So that 0.1 times 4 equals 0.4 plus 1, 1.4 over 4. Throw that into a calculator. 4,900 times 1.4 divided by 4 gives us a weight of 1,715 pounds. Step 4 is to solve, which we've just done. The answer is C. So this chart is very important. This question was emailed in. If you have any other Coast Guard questions or any questions having to do with the testing center, the testing experience, or anything U.S. Coast Guard related or third mate related, or any test related, you can email those questions to bluewaterbasics@gmail.com.